G'day, I'm Andrew from Berrima Diesel. So the cleanup begins. Had a great week last week up in the Victorian High Country. Sounds like we got out of there just in time for the snow to arrive on the weekend. Great time out there. Certainly saw some people out there that were having a great camping time as well. And obviously again, clean up time. Fridge is empty, clean that out, drawers, reset it up for the next trip. Goodies on the top, we've still got to get some time to pull them all off. And obviously down inside, cleaning up to do as well. It was quite funny, we had a little bush rat or something move in because on the last few days we had tissues and bits and pieces getting torn up, so I've left the doors open the last few nights to try and let him hopefully disappear, or we'll be putting the cat in there. Then obviously under the engine a bit of maintenance level here, just keeping the battery charger on things while we run through the lot and get it all cleaned up, ready for the next trip. So the main thing that we found while we were away, I guess, is leading off with a well-serviced vehicle. And that means, you know, obviously the filters and everything are in good order. So while you're away, you don't have to worry about changing them or doing anything with your vehicle. And that's probably the key. You want to be pulling up at the campsite and having fun down there, not cleaning filters and doing all sorts of other horrid stuff. Just talking about wherever you go in Australia, you can't believe how remote it can be yet so close. Some of those areas we went through there were quite a few hours of driving. We saw nobody, and you're really a long way out from any sort of recovery whatsoever. Yes, there's companies recovering vehicles out of there, but it's the last thing you need. So guys and girls, when you're out in some of these areas, just remember you can get into remote spots. Again, make sure that vehicle's well serviced and just do some daily morning checks. Bonnet up, don't be ashamed, check the water, fluids, look underneath, make sure everything's good in case the sticks come up and hit something. No doubt that's happened before for many people and it's been a simple fix, but of course gone unchecked, everything fails and comes down. So I think one thing, what did we find this trip? Probably having the kids in there and wanting to charge up iPads and stuff. Yes, they did play with them on the odd occasion. Probably needed about half a dozen new USB charging points. That's all I can say about new technology now. Make sure you've got lots of USB outlets to charge your lights and all sorts of other goodies, and that's pretty much what I have most of the stuff charging from now. So yeah, good trip, back to work already. Lots of things going on in the workshop. You've probably seen some dirty fuel posts as well. We had a great time out there, met some good people on the tracks. Thanks for saying g'day and taking your photos and having a good chat on the run. And even down to some of the good people we met on the way home on the highways, and the job that the good old police are doing out there as well. Know a few local guys around out and about there down into New South Wales, around the Coomera area. So have some fun out through there, and we'll keep posting up here at Berrima Diesel. We can see more of these interesting videos and follow what we get up to in our lovely workshop. I'm Andrew from Berrima Diesel. Keep watching our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Look us up at Snapchat or at berrimadiesel.com, where you can find out more about looking after your diesel.